In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links automatically in WordPress content with N8N. If you're tired of manually inserting tracking links every time you publish, this workflow will save you time and keep your posts consistent. Start by opening your N8N dashboard in your browser. From here, create a new workflow. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later, especially if you manage multiple automations. Next, add a trigger node. This is what tells N8N when to run. You can use a trigger that fires when a new post is published from your site, or listen to an RSS feed if your content comes from another source. The key is choosing a trigger that provides the post content you want to modify. Configure the trigger so it captures the title, content, and any identifier you'll need to reference the post. Now add a function node. This is where the magic happens. The function node lets you write a small JavaScript routine to scan the post content and replace plain links or keywords with your affiliate URLs. A simple approach is to define a list of target domains or phrases and swap them with your affiliate versions. For example, if your post mentions a product or links to a vendor, you can rewrite that link with your tracking parameters. Be careful to preserve the original formatting and HTML structure and avoid double linking text that's already been converted. Return the updated content from the function node so the next step can use it. A helpful tip is to keep your replacements organized in an object or array so you can update them later without touching the logic. After that, add a WordPress node and connect it to the function node. Set the operation to update posts. In the fields, map the post identifier from your trigger to tell WordPress which post to modify, and map the content field to the updated text coming from the function node. If your trigger provides categories, excerpts, or metadata, leave them as they are unless you specifically want to change them. Finally, configure the WordPress node with your site credentials. Use a secure method such as an application password or token-based authentication, and never hard code sensitive details directly in the workflow. Confirm the site URL is correct and that the account you use has permission to update posts. That's it. With this setup, your content flows from the trigger, gets affiliate links added in the function node, and is written back to WordPress automatically. Keep your replacement list focused, update it as your partnerships change, and avoid overlinking to maintain a good reader experience.